Hi, first grade. I hope you're having fun on this art day. I have a really fun book to share with you called Ish. And if you remember, this book is by Peter Reynolds, and he also wrote the book The Dot, if you remember when we read that story. But I really love these stories because they're kind and encouraging stories. Ish. Here's the title page. Raymond loved to draw. Anytime, anything, anywhere. He's on the toilet. One day, Raymond was drawing a vase of flowers. His brother Leon leaned over his shoulder. Leon burst out laughing. "What is that?" he asked. "Oh my, that is not kind." Raymond could not even answer. He just crumpled up the drawing and threw it across the room. Leon's laughter haunted Raymond. He kept trying to make his drawings look right, but they never did. After many months and many crumpled sheets of paper, Raymond put his pencil down. "I'm done." Oh man, that's not growth mindset. Marisol, his sister, was watching him. "What do you want?" he snapped. "I was watching you draw," she said. Raymond sneered. "I'm not drawing. Go away." Marisol ran away, but not before picking up a crumpled sheet of paper. "Hey, come back here with that." Raymond raced after Marisol up the hall and into her room. He was about to yell, but fell silent when he saw his sister's walls. He stared at the crumpled gallery. What a kind sister. "This one is one of my favorites," Marisol said, pointing. "This was supposed to be a vase of flowers," Raymond said, "but it doesn't look like one." "Well, it looks vase-ish," she explained. "Vase-ish?" Roman looked closer. Then he studied all the drawings on Marisol's wall and began to see them in a whole new way. "They do look ish," he said. Raymond felt light and energized. Thinking ishly allowed his ideas to flow freely. He began to draw and what he felt, loose lines, quickly springing out without worry. Raymond once again drew and drew the world around him. Making an ish drawing felt wonderful. He filled his journals. Tree-ish, house-ish, boat-ish, afternoon-ish, fish-ish, sun-ish. Raymond realized he could draw ish feelings too. Peace-ish, silly-ish, excited-ish. His ish art inspired ish writing. He wasn't sure if he was writing poems, but he knew they were poem-ish. Ponder, pond, ponder, dream yonder, pond, pond, yond, yond, gleam, wander. One spring morning, Raymond had a wonderful feeling. It was a feeling that even ish words and ish drawings could not capture. He decided not to capture it. Instead, he simply savored it. And Raymond lived ishly ever after. This story has a moral. It says that even if your drawings don't look perfect, they look perfect the way you drew them. So remember on Art Day today that even if your drawings don't look perfect like anyone else's, that's okay because they're your drawing and they're made how your mind made them. All right, first grade, thanks for reading with me.